All right, so in this video, what I want to do is show you how to turn on your notifications for whenever you have your a client upload a file into the client portal. So what we'll do is we're going to navigate to My Staff. That's in the settings here at the bottom. And then we're going to go to My Staff here on the left. And then we are going to locate a name here. So let's click on Edit. We're going to find the name that we want to turn these notifications on for. And then we are going to go to notification settings. That's here in this menu here where my cursor is. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the bottom here, there's a section for client portal notifications. This section here is to notify when a client uploads a file in the client portal. This first field is the only one that's activated currently, but this is for the in-app. So you'll get a notification if this is checked. You'll get a notification inside of the app, so the dashboard, the web version. You'll also get one in the mobile app as well too. So if you would like to turn those notifications on whenever a client uploads a file into the client folder, then you will come to the My Staff page, go to uh, the teammate that you want to turn this on for, so that way they'll get the notifications anytime a client uploads their file into the client portal. All right, make sure you hit save when you are complete.